my channel Vocab with Sanaya. First, keeper, a person who guards or look after something, यानी रखने वाला. Example, a good deal in anxiety exists in the mind of poultry keepers. Now let's learn its synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, custodian, defender, attendant. Antonyms, liberator, releaser, discharger. Now let's move to the second word. Keepsake, something kept or given to be kept in memory of a person, place or happening. Yani उपहार या निशानी. Example, I still have it as a keepsake. Now let's learn it. Synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms, memento, relic or antique. Antonyms, demote, approve, forbid. And in the last, if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, share and don't forget to click on bell icon. Bye!